Hello everyone. And welcome back once again to another interesting video. In today's video we'll discuss all about deepfakes, a comprehensive explanation with its advantages and disadvantages. So if you are ready, let's start today's video. Deepfakes, a portmanteau of deep learning and fake, have emerged as a powerful and often unsettling technology. These synthetic media creations utilize artificial intelligence, AI, to manipulate images, videos, and audio with stunning realism. Whether it's placing a celebrity's face onto another person's body, making someone say things they never uttered, or seamlessly inserting a politician into a fabricated news segment, deepfakes blur the lines between reality and fiction, raising ethical concerns and impacting various aspects of our lives. The technology behind deepfakes. Deepfakes rely on a type of AI known as deep learning, specifically a technique called Deep Generative Adversarial Networks, GANs. These neural networks engage in a competitive dance, with one network generating images or audio while the other critiques its authenticity. Through this iterative process, the generator network gradually improves its ability to create realistic and convincing forgeries. Types of deepfakes. 1. Face swaps. This is the most common type, where a person's face is digitally replaced onto another person's body in a video. 2. Lip syncing. This technique alters existing video footage to make it appear as if the subject is speaking different words. 3. Audio manipulation. Deepfakes can be used to synthesize a person's voice to say something they never did. 4. Entirely fabricated content. Advanced algorithms can even create entirely new video or audio recordings, making it difficult to distinguish them from real footage. Applications of deepfakes. 1. Entertainment. Deepfakes have found a niche in entertainment, creating humorous parodies, reenacting historical events, and even enhancing special effects in movies. 2. Social media. Deepfakes can be used for personal amusement, creating funny videos or filters that morph your face into someone else's. 3. Education and training. Deepfakes can be used to create realistic simulations for training purposes, such as medical procedures or emergency response scenarios. 4. Art and activism. Some artists utilize deepfakes as a medium for commentary and social critique, raising awareness about issues like political corruption or media manipulation. The dark side of deepfakes. 1. Misinformation and disinformation. Deepfakes can be weaponized for spreading misinformation and propaganda, influencing elections, damaging reputations, and sowing distrust in institutions. 2. Cybercrime. Deepfakes can be used for financial fraud, impersonation scams, and blackmailing individuals. 3. Social manipulation. Deepfakes can be used to manipulate public opinion, influence emotional responses, and even incite violence. Identifying and debunking deepfakes. While deepfakes can be incredibly convincing, there are ways to identify them. Here are some red flags to watch out for. 1. Unnatural facial movements. The movement of facial features may look slightly off, particularly around the eyes and mouth. 2. Blurring or artifacts. Look for inconsistencies in video quality, especially around the face and hair. 3. Audio inconsistencies. Listen for unnatural pauses, glitches, or robotic-sounding voices. 4. Uncharacteristic behavior. Pay attention to the subject's actions and language. Do they seem out of character? 5. Context and source. Be wary of content shared from unknown sources or websites with a reputation for spreading misinformation. The future of deepfakes. The technology behind deepfakes is constantly evolving, making it increasingly difficult to discern real from fake. As detection tools improve, so too will the sophistication of deepfakes. This necessitates a multi-pronged approach to address the challenges posed by deepfakes. 1. Developing robust detection algorithms. Research is ongoing to develop AI-powered tools that can automatically detect deepfakes with greater accuracy. 2. Promoting media literacy. Educating the public about deepfakes and how to identify them is crucial in mitigating their impact. 3. Enacting regulations. Establishing legal frameworks to address the misuse of deepfakes and hold perpetrators accountable. 4. Encouraging ethical development and use. Fostering responsible practices among developers and users of deepfake technology. Conclusion. Deepfakes are a double-edged sword, offering creative possibilities and harboring potential for misuse. Navigating this complex landscape requires vigilance, critical thinking, and collective action. By understanding the technology, its applications, and its potential dangers, we can better equip ourselves to navigate the digital age with discernment and ensure that deepfakes are used for good, not harm. That's all for this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and hit that notification bell for more content, so you don't miss any upcoming video. And, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please let us know in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring and keep coding. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.